Welcome back to the channel. This is Mega Haul Nation, and today we're diving into the latest release that has every travel enthusiast talking, the 2026 Airstream Bambi 20FB. The Bambi series has always been one of the most loved compact travel trailers in the Airstream lineup, but this new model is not just a continuation of tradition, it's a refinement that sets the standard for what small, modern RV living should feel like. So let's take a closer look at everything that makes the 20FB a standout choice for anyone who dreams of hitting the open road with style, comfort, and efficiency. The exterior of the 2026 Bambi 20FB stays true to Airstream's iconic aluminum shell design, sleek, polished, and instantly recognizable. It's compact at 20 feet long, making it towable by most midsize SUVs and crossovers, but don't let its size fool you. Airstream has designed this model with smart aerodynamics to ensure smoother towing, better fuel efficiency, and more stability on highways. New for 2026 are slightly refined panel seams, an improved underbelly for better insulation, and an optional solar upgrade neatly integrated on the roof, giving travelers that extra boost of energy independence on long off-grid adventures. Stepping inside, the layout is where the 20FB really shines. The FB stands for front bed, and you'll find a comfortable, fixed bed positioned at the front of the trailer. Airstream has introduced premium memory foam mattresses this year, covered with breathable, hypoallergenic fabrics that make sleeping on the road more restful than ever. The panoramic front windows wrap around the sleeping area, flooding it with natural light during the day and offering stargazing opportunities at night. Privacy curtains and blackout shades are built in, making the transition from daytime adventure to nighttime rest seamless. Moving into the living and dining space, the 2026 Bambi 20FB features a convertible dinette that can seat four comfortably, perfect for meals, work, or just lounging. The table lowers to create an additional sleeping space, so you can host guests or bring along kids without compromise. Airstream's craftsmanship shines here with marine-grade vinyl cushions, updated stitching details, and lightweight cabinetry that offers more storage than ever before. The use of soft close drawers and hidden hinges adds a touch of elegance you wouldn't expect in a compact trailer. The kitchen is designed with efficiency in mind, and this year's update brings upgraded appliances that make cooking on the go a pleasure. You get a 2-burner gas stove with a glass cover for extra prep space, a stainless steel sink with a residential-style faucet, and a convection microwave oven neatly tucked under the counter. The refrigerator is larger than in previous models, with dual power options for flexibility whether you're plugged into shore power or running on battery. Countertops feature a new durable, scratch-resistant surface, and LED task lighting has been integrated for better visibility when preparing meals at night. The bathroom in the 20FB is compact but highly functional. Instead of the all-in-one wet bath common in trailers this size, Airstream has designed a split setup with a dedicated shower on one side and a toilet with a small sink on the other. This design makes daily use more convenient, and the inclusion of a skylight above the shower adds both headroom and natural light. Improved water-saving fixtures make the most out of the fresh water tank capacity, so even boondockers can stretch their time between refills. One of the biggest highlights of the 2026 Bambi 20FB is the technology package. Airstream has built in a smart control panel that connects via Bluetooth, allowing you to monitor tank levels, battery status, and climate settings right from your phone. The climate control system has been upgraded with a quieter, more efficient air conditioner and a digital thermostat that maintains consistent comfort. Optional Wi-Fi and LTE connectivity packages ensure you can stay connected wherever your journey takes you. Storage is another area where the 20FB impresses. Despite its compact footprint, you'll find clever storage solutions throughout, from underbed compartments to overhead lockers and exterior storage hatches. Airstream has clearly studied how travelers actually use their space, and every inch of the trailer has been maximized for practicality. Towing ease is something that can't be overlooked, and this model has been engineered with an improved weight distribution system, anti-sway stability features, and an overall dry weight that makes it accessible to more vehicles than before. With a gross vehicle weight rating under 4,000 pounds, the 2026 Bambi 20FB remains one of the most user-friendly options in the lineup for first-time trailer owners. Overall, the new Airstream Bambi 20FB represents a perfect blend of tradition and innovation. It carries forward the timeless design language of Airstream while introducing the comfort, efficiency, and technology that modern travelers demand. It's a trailer built for couples or small families who want big adventures without needing a massive RV. With its refined interior finishes, improved towing dynamics, and thoughtful living spaces, it proves that sometimes the best travel experiences come in compact packages. So if you've been dreaming about hitting the road in 2026 and beyond, the Bambi 20FB deserves a serious look. Whether you're chasing sunsets, exploring national parks, or just enjoying a quiet weekend getaway, this Airstream is designed to make every mile memorable.